IT8 has learned 1/3 of the Indiana National Guard is not vaccinated.
That's despite the fact that Guard members were among the first to be offered the shot. IT8's Richard Essex reports.
There are close to 13,500 members of the Indiana National Guard and Air National Guard on active duty. And according to numbers given to me by their leadership, 1/3 of them are not vaccinated. The Indiana National Guard have played a pivotal role in the state's response to the pandemic and COVID-19 restrictions. Guardsmen have been called upon to help staff food pantries, organize and staff testing and vaccination sites. We don't know how many were vaccinated then, but as of today, the Indiana National Guard says 63% of Indiana National Guard soldiers are vaccinated, and 90% of Air National Guard members are vaccinated. IT8 asked the Guard to come on camera and talk about this issue. They declined and sent a statement. The health and well-being of our service members are of paramount importance. They protect our nation and help our state in times of need. And they should be protected themselves as much as possible from COVID-19 to be ready at a moment's notice. Ultimately, this is a matter of readiness. And the best way to help maintain the Indiana National Guard's readiness is for our troops to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. But there's a significant number of Guard members that have chosen otherwise. More than 4,200 have not taken the jab. Dr. Lindsay Weaver, the Chief Medical Officer for the Indiana State Department of Health.
It's been a long time. We've had these vaccines out over a year. If you go back to when they were actually studying it, had those really big studies, and they've proven to be safe, and people are doing profoundly well with the vaccines. For example, I mean, right now in Indiana, and looking back in November in Indiana, 80% of our cases and our hospitalizations were in people who were unvaccinated.
When the vaccine was made available in December of last year, a select number of Indiana Guardsmen were some of the first in the country to receive the vaccine. The Department of Defense ordered all members of the military, including National Guard members, to get the vaccine. Indiana National Guard soldiers have until June 30th of next year to get the vaccine, and the deadline for airmen was last week. The Indiana National Guard is not saying exactly what will happen to troops that are not vaccinated by the deadline, but they are offering members the opportunity to file for a medical or religious exemption. In Indianapolis, Richard Essex, Wish TV, WishTV.com, and follow us on Facebook.